We love a good BLT, but you know us, we can't keep things simple.
So we made one the classic way and one the Grills Next Door way. Let us show you how we did it.
Let's go.
Let's go. I am the self-proclaimed king of all sandwiches.
Key term, self-proclaimed.
I'm gonna make a traditional BLT. You cannot have a BLT without bacon. So we're going to take some bacon and put it on the griddle, and there we'll have some crispy bacon. We'll put our bacon down on the griddle. This is hickory smoked maple bourbon brown sugar glazed bacon.
All right, hold on. You're a little moist there, buddy.
Thank you, Joey. We're gonna take our bacon, just set it aside, because we're gonna use it in a couple minutes. We'll give that bread a toast, a couple minutes on each side. All right, let's give these a flip using our finger tongs.
You're just gonna go ahead and use finger tongs. Huh?
Yeah, I'm pot committed at this point, so it doesn't matter if I can't feel the tips of my fingers anymore. Social media 101. Always test the crispness, always test the crispness of your bread.
Crispiness feels right.
Yeah, let's just go with that. This time I'm gonna take our bread with our tongs and we'll stack them out. It is time to build our traditional BLT sandwich. First step, we're gonna take our Duke's mayo and a healthy slather, very healthy. Some might question me using the word healthy, but healthy to one is unhealthy to others. And what's unhealthy to others is healthy to some.
That's the Michael Scott quote. Sometimes I start a sentence and I don't know where it's going, and I hope I find it along the way.
Nothing Greg makes is ever healthy, but it is delicious.
Sir Duke has blessed us with his mayonnaise on the bread.
I'm gonna not respond to that one.
Now for the tomato. We're going to take a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, season your tomatoes, no one likes unseasoned vegetables, and then we're gonna place them on the bread. Next step is the lettuce. We're using this butter lettuce. Can't have a BLT without the B. We're gonna take our bacon and place it on top, and there you have it.
All right, Greg, so the BLT looks awesome, but I would love to just take this up one notch.
All right, let's switch.
So we made a BLT, but I want to take it up a notch, just a little bit. Just a
Slight.
slightly elevated BLT or a bacon sandwich, depending on who it is that's talking about it.
Listen, if your first name is C, last name J, then
First letter C, second letter J.
Let's go back. If your first name is spelled with the letter C and then the letter J, no one in particular that we're thinking about,
Yeah, nobody in particular.
then you might call it a bacon sandwich.
The first thing I want to do is I want to make maybe an aioli. I'm going to call it an aioli. I'm going to take some of that Duke's mayo.
The best.
We'll throw some of this in here. We're going to do a little bit of garlic. What am I going to mix this up with?
I know.
World's smallest whisk.
What the f***? I thought I hid that.
So we'll give this a quick little mix. And then I want to add a little bit of lemon to this as well.
Ooh, a little acidity.
So we'll continue to mix this up. Let's do a little salt here. And then I'm gonna add Louisiana hot sauce. We're gonna add a little spice to this. And then we're gonna take some of the Blackstone Bayou blend, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix this all up. Next, instead of a regular tomato, I'm gonna use a fried, not so green tomato, which if you haven't seen one of our previous episodes where we made a fried green.
It was greenish. It was greenish.
Tomato
I still to this day
Benedict.
stand that it was greenish.
Greg is colorblind.
I am.
He didn't know that the tomatoes were not green. We have some leftovers, regardless of the color. I'm gonna reheat these real quick, and we're gonna put these on our sandwich. So we'll throw a little oil on, and then we're gonna take some of those fried red tomatoes, heat those back up along with some bacon. While we've got our tomatoes and our bacon heating back up, I'm gonna do some slices of sourdough bread. So we'll give ourselves a nice medium slice for this.
Is that what she says?
Yeah, I mean, listen, she says it's medium enough.
Not too thick, but not too thin.
Yeah.
Just perfect.
This is boyfriend bread. This is husband bread. Husband size bread.
Yeah, just right. Whose husband are we talking about?
Next, we're going to take a little bit of mayo and we're going to brush that on the bread and toast it with the mayo. Just a nice thin layer. Let's go ahead and toast our bread. We're going to get this onto the griddle. Give it a nice little light toast. Let's give this bread a quick turn.
The tongs will work better. Hold on a second. You mean those tongs that are sitting
Yeah.
right over there?
Here we go.
Those-
Let's try it.
those ones?
Let's try that.
Yeah,
Let's try the
those
tongs.
ones might work.
Oh,
I mean, that's fine, but your fingers are intact.
that's fair. Listen, I can't say that I'm always efficient, but it's always going to taste good. And
Yeah.
that's all that matters.
Yeah, it's Joey's tagline.
You would think there'd be a joke there. Yeah, I got nothing. I got a few.
Let's go ahead and pull the bread off and let's assemble this sandwich. So let's take some of that aioli that we made. We're just gonna get a layer of that right on the bottom here. I'm gonna throw down the lettuce next. Put those down there.
Okay.
Next, we're gonna take the fried, not so green tomato.
Greenish.
Let me emphasize again, not green. Make sure we add the crispy bacon on top. We're gonna take a little more of that aioli and we're gonna add that on the top layer. And as my friend Greg likes to say, let's give our sandwich a hat. All I know is this sandwich is gonna be amazing.
We made both of our sandwiches. Now there's only one thing left to do, and that is the taste test. All right,
let's try the BLT first.
Okay. That's a really good sandwich.
Yeah.
There's a reason it is one of the most iconic sandwiches of all time, because it's a friggin' good sandwich.
That's great. Let's try my version.
All right. Ready?
Yeah,
That's one of the best sandwiches I've ever. I need one more bite. I need one more bite.
By far the best BLT I've ever had. Well done, boys.
Delicious. Let's do it again.
I call this a successful day.
So there's only one thing left to do. Joey, tell them what to do.
Like, subscribe, follow,
All the things.
all the things.
Until next time, let's go.
Let's go.